Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today this video is going to be about my co-wash update. So if you guys haven't seen my latest video on that, I had a video talking about how I experienced a lot of hair loss due to just like co-washing a lot more often than using a shampoo. And what I discovered was that my density was getting so low, and I usually have like about medium to high density hair, but I just noticed my hair was getting so much more thinner, and I didn't realize until like months later. But it took me like about, honestly, like probably like 4 to 5 months to really notice. Just like even taking sections of my hair and just notice like, where is all my hair? I could have swore I had more hair than this, and I started looking at like older pictures and I'm like, I definitely had more hair than this. So I did a little bit of research and I came across this one video where she was talking about how you can lose a lot of hair if you just like co-wash your hair a lot without using any shampoo. When it comes to the scalp, I noticed you definitely need something a bit stronger most of the time to get rid of like all of the natural oils, like the sebum and, you know, hair product buildup and all that kind of stuff that just sits on top of your scalp. And I also noticed like when you're washing your hair, like I wash my hair in sections, but even in sections, like for having like, you know, curly kinky hair, it's actually sometimes kind of hard to get inside your scalp with like the cleansing conditioner, especially because it doesn't really foam up as much as like a shampoo would and just kind of distribute throughout like your hair. And like of course like the shampoo, it's more stronger, so like you don't really have to massage your scalp that hard and for that long because it really like, you know, cleanses your scalp really easily. But when you're using a cleansing conditioner, it's a lot more mild and you really have to go in with your scalp. And like honestly, sometimes I'm gonna admit it, like sometimes with wash day I'm not really trying to be in the shower forever, and so sometimes I feel like I was being a little bit lazier. Like I could have massaged my scalp for way longer with the co-wash, but I still feel like even if you massage your scalp like really hard for a lot longer, I do feel like eventually you do have to introduce shampoos into your regimen if you want like a really healthy scalp, because I also do work out like about 5 to 6 times a week. Because of that, I get a lot of sweat buildup on my scalp. So what I would do was like my old regimen was co-washing my hair about 3 times a week because I wash my hair once a week, and then introducing a shampoo like once a month. And then I would like clarify my hair with either a clay mask or a clarifying shampoo once every 3 to 4 months. I loved how hydrating and moisturized my actual hair felt with that regimen because of course like a shampoo is going to strip out your hair a lot more, and I feel like with the cleansing conditioners it really helped retain my moisture. And I didn't use a regular conditioner to actually cleanse my hair. I actually used like really good cleansing conditioners, which my 2 favorite are the Diva Curl No Poo and the Wee Dad Low Lather and No Lather cleansing conditioner. Those 2 are like the strongest cleansing conditioners. Like they almost feel like a mild shampoo, which I loved because the regular conditioners like really did not really work well with my hair. They would just, you know, build up on my hair. Most of them have silicones. Most of them don't really have that much cleansing ingredients in them to actually like make that much of a difference. So I felt like I found like the best cleansing conditioners I can do without shampoos for a really long time. So yeah, it was really good with removing the product buildup on my hair. I did even notice a drastic change on how my actual hair looked, a lot more moisturized than how it used to be when I actually did use a shampoo more often. So I just thought I was doing the right thing, and of course I'm always tweaking my routine to see like what works best for my hair. When I realized my hair was moisturized but like getting really thin, I was like, okay, I need to see what's going on. So anyways, I came across that lady's video and she talked about how like you really do need to use a shampoo for your scalp because like you will lose a lot of hair. I'm gonna actually put the video of my video and her video in the description box below if you guys want to go check those out first. And she explained it really well. She's actually a licensed cosmetologist, so she has a lot of experience and knowledge in it, and I definitely highly recommend you guys watching that. So basically what I did was I switched it up. I started using a shampoo on my scalp more often. So at first what I did was I actually just concentrated the shampoo on my scalp only, and then I would use like the cleansing conditioner on my hair. I feel like the shampoo on my hair every single week will be too harsh because my hair really dries out very easily. Even though I found one of my favorite shampoos, the best shampoo I think for my hair is the Main Choice Hydrating Shampoo. That's the only shampoo that actually like really cleanses my scalp and hair without leaving my hair too stripped. But then I just felt like there was just like so much work to like having to use 2 different products, like one on your scalp, one on your hair. So I was like, hey, you know what? I'm going to just use like the Main Choice Hydrating Shampoo every single week and see how my hair feels. And that started feeling a bit better. Like I noticed my scalp was always clean, and I noticed over time like my hair started getting thicker and thicker and basically back to how my hair used to be. I didn't have any clogged follicles anymore. Like my scalp can breathe now, my hair can go through there. And luckily, with the good thing with shampoo is that even though it could be a little bit more stripping, you can still be able to absorb a lot more moisture into your hair. So now with my regimen, what I do is I use the shampoo on my scalp and the rest of my hair 3 times a month, so once every single week for 3 times a month. And I just make sure to focus on my scalp, and then for one of the weeks I will use a cleansing conditioner still. And I just make sure to like section my hair and make sure to really massage my scalp really well to make sure to get rid of that product buildup on my scalp. I actually also recently ordered a scalp massager, and I feel that like I might be able to use cleansing conditioners more often if I have something to kind of help me with like removing that product buildup, because sometimes your fingertips are just, I feel like, not enough sometimes if you're using something really mild like a cleansing conditioner. But I think my problem was I was just using them so often consecutively without throwing in that shampoo more often. So that's basically what my routine is right now, and I just want to let you guys know that my hair, I have definitely seen a big difference on how thick my hair is now. And I'll show you guys pictures now. Like right now my hair is actually wet. I just did a wash and go, so you're not going to see too much volume though, but I'll show you guys pictures right now of how big my hair is now. Actually, to be honest, I feel like my hair is probably more fuller than it actually has ever looked, to be honest. Like, so in a way it's a blessing in disguise to go through like certain hair setbacks, because then you learn what not to do and then you focus more on what you should be doing. And you're only gonna know through trial and error, and I feel like it doesn't matter how long you've been on your journey for, like you're still gonna learn new things all the time. I just cannot highly stress how important it is to have a clean, healthy scalp, you guys. Learn from my mistakes for sure, and just always make sure that your scalp is clean. Like even for me, I noticed that I can't do the whole washing my hair every 2 weeks because my scalp builds up so much that even a shampoo won't really be able to really cleanse my scalp that properly, because I waited too long for my scalp to build up. And so I noticed with trial and error, like a week and a half is the furthest I can go without washing my hair. Share you guys' thoughts in the comments below. Have you guys ever had any issues with just like using a co-wash cleanser on your hair a lot more often with your scalp? Did it get your scalp cleansed enough? And like, did you experience like hair loss as well? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something from this. Let me know in the comments below, what are your guys' favorite cleansing conditioners and shampoos? And thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.